how to use the Ad Manager and how to use job jackets. For a production team, once an insertion has been converted to contract, they'll want to go to the Ad Manager. Going through Production and Ad Manager. Here you'll select a date range for the issues that you're looking for. So in this case, we're going to choose September. We'll choose our magazine, and then the insertions within that date range will pull in to here. So now we're going to look at our September issue of this magazine and hit View. There are other options to search for here as well, and we'll come back to those. So here we have in the Ad Manager, we have all the September insertions for this magazine. You can see a nice list down here, and at the bottom we have a summary. How many ads, how many are complete, how many have been proofed in 3 days, created by production, how many are outstanding, and how many need to be created. Here you have a link to the customer, you have a link to the job jacket, and you have a link to message the rep. The name of the product appears here and the ad size. To message the rep, if there's a problem with the ad for some reason, you can just simply type in the message that you need the rep to get, and the next time they log in, it'll appear on their home page along with on their mobile version of the Magazine Manager in their inbox. If you want to go into the job jacket for this particular customer, you'd simply click on the job jacket link, and now you'll see the job jacket. The job jacket's kind of like a scorecard or a card to track all of the details on this particular ad. So here we have the advertiser, the production contact, the agency contact, proof status. As you're tracking the status of the ad, mark proof ad arrived. If it requires design, there's various fields here for tracking design, whether who to assign it to, a clock to track the time, estimated amount of time, and then you're allowed to put in a production charge here that will pull into your template, your invoice template. Here's the details on the ad, pick up from if there is one. Any notes that came over from the proposal will be the ad notes. Any notes that come over or that production puts in will show up here, and as production starts to put notes in, it will date stamp those. Below that is an area of custom fields that you may have set up, things that you track, a variety of things you might track on this particular product. And below that is an area to add new files if you so choose, just by clicking Add New File. Then you return to the Ad Manager. Here you can also send out ad material reminder letters if an ad has not arrived, and hit View, and now all of the ads will show up here that have not arrived. Select all or select a variety of them and click on the letter in which you wish to send to the client. So here we're going to send a production material reminder letter to all of these customers by clicking on Preview. You can see that letter. This is a merge letter, a template that you'll be able to use or create yourself with your own logo and a variety of different merge fields. Perhaps you might choose to pull in the issue, the year, the ad size, the color, and also maybe the ad material ad material deadline. And of course putting your FTP site where you want that customer to send that. Once you have the letters merged here, you can flip through, clicking on Next or Previous just to verify that they're correct, and then click on Email All, of course after putting in your name, the From email, and the subject of Ad Material Reminder Letter, and hit Email All, and all those letters will be quickly e-blasted out to all of these customers. Going back to all of the statuses, if we hit View here, we can also update these statuses. Ad arrived, requires design, first proof, first changes, second proof, second changes, third proof, and ad done. To update those, you can either click in the area in which you want to flag it, and it will automatically mark that, or you could check off the boxes next to the customer and mark them appropriately. For example, down here you can mark all of them as second proof and hit update, and all of them will be updated at once. And that's how you use the Ad Manager and the job jacket.